Hi, I am IPH-418 and this is my video for the 12 lead EKG placements for Lab 3 of EKG 418. I have with me Josh, and I'm going to be demonstrating on him today. He's wearing a face mask, and so am I. So first we're going to start with the 4 frontal leads for lead 1, lead 2, lead 3, AVL, AVR, and AVF. So first, for the right arm, we'll start with the infraclavicular fossa. So Josh, I'm just gonna have you put your arms to your sides. Okay. So here we've got Josh. Okay. You can see it's between the deltoid, the pec, and the clavicle. It's this spot right around here. Right here. I can feel it with my finger. So I am going to mark it right here. All right. Now I do the same on the other side for the left arm. There we go. All right. And now for the legs, we do on the mid-clavicular line. So you can see it's like right there. And we come down at the level of the umbilicus. So we come down right here. All right, we do the same on the other side, mid-clavicular line, and we come down to the level of the umbilicus. All right, and those are the placements for the 4 frontal leads. All right, and now we'll start with the horizontal leads, V's 1 through V6. So first with V1, we start at the 4th intercostal space on the right sternal border. So we come here, we're on the right side of the sternum. As in the video, you can see we've come down and try and find our first intercostal space. So come down from here. On the side of the sternum, there you go. I can feel the first one right there. 2, 3, 4, right there. All right, and then I can feel same thing on the other side. So boom, there's one, there's another one, and there we go. There's the 4th space right there. There we go. All right, so that's V1 and V2. V3 is the midpoint of a straight line between V2 and V4. So we'll start with V4 and then do the midpoint. So the V4 is in the 5th intercostal space under the mid-clavicular line. So I'm just gonna switch sides here. And then you can see right here on the mid-clavicular line, we can find the 5th intercostal space. So here's the 4th, you can feel it right here. And here's the 5th. So right about there, I'd say. So that's V4. And then midpoint of a straight line between these two. And there's V3. So now that we have V4 done right there, we are going to start on V5. So V5 is in the exact same horizontal plane as V4. So you can see right across in the anterior axillary line right on it. So you can see this armpit crease right here. We're gonna follow that down. And then Josh doesn't have super good ribs right here, but that's okay because we can feel down from here. I mean, then we can follow this because it has to be in a rib crease. So we can feel this ribs intercostal space right here under the armpit, and you can see that it's a little bit higher just to accommodate that space. So I just lost it. Sorry, I gotta find it again. It's right there. All right, and then now finally for V5. Josh, or for V6, I'm sorry. Josh, can you please put your arm out to the side? To the side as best as you can. I know that's in the bed there. Okay, so now for the last one, for V6, it's in the mid-axillary line, so it'd be right in the middle of the armpit. And as Josh has moved his arm a little bit here, you can see this one kind of got dragged out a little bit for V5. So I'm gonna maybe ignore that and reevaluate. I should put it like right there, just a little bit down, because that's like right in his armpit. Okay, so ignoring that one, focusing on that, that's V5. We can come to the mid-axillary line in the middle of the armpit and follow it down to the 5th intercostal space. So this one will be more in line with it, with V4, because it's the same horizontal plane. So we can follow it over right there, and I can feel that space right here. Yep. And then I'm just gonna mark it. Boom, and that's V6. So ignoring that one, this is how you place all the leads for a 12-lead EKG, all 10 positions. Josh, please put your arm down so I can see the top one. There we go. All right, thank you very much.